Drone mapping is a process of collecting several aerial images and using these images to create a map, either 2D maps or 3D models. Now, these maps can be also georeferenced on satellite images that we can use to make better decisions, do monitoring, and other types of data collection. Now, the kinds of data that we can get from drone images are area, width, length, height, and even volume of components or elements on the landscape. Now, with this information, we can make better decisions for our environmental planning and even monitoring of our landscapes.